Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this gorgeous Bantu nut. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And by the way, my name is Victoria, but you can call me Vicky. So guys, starting off, I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 at the front. I want this style to be jumbo. I'm sure you could have seen by the title, it's going to be a very jumbo Bantu knot. So I'm going to be cleaning off my part with my favorite hair wax. Like, it just makes the hairstyle really nice and neat. So this is very easy to do, and it was very cheap as well. After cleaning up the parts, what I'm just going to do is apply gel. I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel. I make sure I added enough because my hair is thick, and if I added little, it won't slick the way that I want. Then after that, I use the rubber band to secure that in place, and then did the same thing to the rest. I'm done with the pattern. Now the next thing is, so I'm just showing you the back so you can see. Fine, it's not that neat, but I know I tried. I'm using the Xpression Ceres in color 1. I already had this pack at home. I used half before, so I'm left with half. I did not finish this half pack. So this is 1 out of the pack, and I divided it into 3, and then I'm just going to crochet it into my hair, and then I twist it with my hair. then roll it to make the Bantu knot. I'm sure I'm making no sense, but just watch what I'm doing, then you understand. And after that, I'm going to use a rubber band to secure it. So this is the last one and we are done. So the next thing I'm going to do now is accessorize it. I used a yellow rubber band, and then I added gold rings to beautify it as well. This part is optional. I was just being extra adding mousse to it, but you can do that as well, just to get all those flyaways. And guys, we're done. I so much love this hairstyle. It is very easy and super cheap to make. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.